This is a simple and fast review of the Permative Generic Pet Hair Removal Glove Brush. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of the bag, pretty standard stuff here. You're just going to kind of put your fingers through this. You can put it over your wrist, hang capable, and I'm going to kind of just demonstrate this being used on a shirt. Frankly, to kind of show you pulling lint, because that's really what it's going to do, as well as getting hair. But this thing is awesome. Really lightweight, really easy, comfortable. As you can see, the hand fits in perfectly, and gives me a lot of flexibility. Good divider line here to kind of get you on both ways, because it's two different directions, if you will. So really nice. Let's test it out. All of those pieces of clothing that just tend to kind of collect lint like crazy, and this is an example of one of those. And the small hairs are not coming off, but that's okay, because those aren't really, they're like lint hairs. But you can kind of see this stuff coming off really nice, and drawing it down to the bottom, where if this was not a statically clinged shirt, it might be easier to do this. But either way, this is so easy to slip on and just kind of work down and collect all this lint, which is great. And I mean, I'm not sure if you're seeing it, because the angles are kind of hard to see, but it's easier for me to see kind of all this lint that's sticking on it, and allows me to kind of keep clothes clean, which is nice, while still having the ability to kind of wear this stuff, because it's black and I can't really wear it out much when it's got all this stuff on it. It just stinks to have all the static cling that it has. And I mean, I put the shirt on and it's like you see every hair possible. So this is doing a great job, and getting everything I need as far as cleaning that off. So to me, this is fantastic. It does a really nice job of getting all the lint and pet hair and stuff like that off. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. And again, you can kind of just see it starting to pile up. It does a really, really nice job. So definitely worth it. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.